Hi, my name's Gina and today I'm on the paddleboard and I'm going to be looking at leaves. I'm going to first start by going down the shore and looking at different shapes of leaves. In class we talked about a lot of examples and my goal is to highlight a couple of them today. The leaf I want to look at is from this plant right here that is growing in the water along the shoreline. As we take a closer look, we can see that this is an example of a lanceolate leaf, as it is longer than it is wide. This is also an entire leaf, which has no teeth and an acute apex, which is the tip of the leaf. The next example I want to look at is the leaf of garlic mustard, and this leaf is an example of a cordate leaf. A cordate leaf has a heart shape at the base of the leaf blade. This leaf also has a crenate leaf margin, which is rounded teeth, not sharp. For the final leaf, I went ahead and docked up on shore, and I'm currently looking at this tree right here, which the leaf shape is a triangle facing downward, which is an example of a deltoid leaf. The next thing I'm going to talk about is a phyllotaxy, which is the arrangement of leaves on a stem. The position and placement of the leaves depends on each species. We have 3 types that we covered in class. I'm going to go along this shore and find 3 examples. This plant right here is an example of opposite leaves. They're paired at a node and branch in opposite directions of one another. These leaves right here are an example of alternate leaves, as they're single at their node and they alternate ascending up this stem. Finding an example of whorled leaves has been pretty difficult. I lost the paddleboard and we're going up these stairs now to have a better chance. I just made it up on Fishing Pier 7 and I already found an example of whorled leaves. This is a special category of whorled leaves called basal whorled leaves, where they all branch from the base of the plant and they form a rosetta. Also, as I was walking the shore, I found a bigger example of a basal whorled leaf. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. That's Fishing Pier 7, and for next video, we'll be going down into the woods this way and straight ahead.